guys, it's Madeline. Today we're going to be going on the Purple Trail. The Purple Trail is one of our longest trails. It's about 5 kilometers. You'll come to this intersection where black and purple continue this way and orange goes this way. The difficulty of this trail is hard, so there are a few steep hills. There's a nice little spot where you can come off the trail and have a nice look out at the river. A cool feature about the Purple Trail is that it weaves through a bunch of big rocks. After walking a while, you'll reach the loop of the Purple Trail, and eventually you'll find some signs that will lead you to Van Dyne Falls. You can get a pretty close view of the falls. Thanks for watching. Come for a walk on the Purple Trail.